Hello, it's Obie from Obie'z Lab. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. It is about the innovation beyond imagination portable LCD digital microscope. I needed this for my electronics bench, so let's get to it and open her up and see what she looks like. Alright, so let's open this up. There's a 1 to 1200 zoom, continuous zoom system, 7-inch LCD. Let's see, industry, education, collection, / research, biological, for mineral, 12 megapixels, high expansion, HD high speed, smart portable, multi-purpose video camera. This is like a lot of almost like clickbait words, like boom, 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 extra, extra, read all about it. It's got the bang, bang, boom, boom, boom. So right here we have a piece of styrofoam. We got a small user manual. We got the microscope. Ooh, it has a micro SD in there. There's a reset button, a USB micro. Turn the LEDs up and down. The LEDs are right there. Okay, so let's put that aside here. And then underneath here, just a little bit of that. We got a micro USB to charge it. We have the base. What is that?
That's the base.
Oh my god. Okay. Definitely not touch screen. Okay. LCD brightness. Frequency. Auxiliary
So you can lift up. Go up. Oh, you put your finger underneath it. That's good. So this is the So if you lift higher.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look at how crazy that is.
This legit works. So if you go higher, it'll do like more of your speed. So
Right.
that's lower. If you go higher, keep going up. Right? So when you keep going up, you have to adjust this as it goes.
Oh, okay.
That's how microscopes work.
Okay.
So then if you're going down, then you would have to adjust this again.
It says the advantage to most other microscopes are 2-gear magnification, either too large, too small. There will always be visual regret. Or visual regret, that sounds awful. I have a visual regret about your face, sir. Oh yeah, remember the LED thing that I said on the back? Jesus! Oh, frick. Okay, that's cool. It has a photograph delay. 2 to 5 seconds. 10 seconds. So this is exactly what I wanted. Makes me feel really happy that we got this. It was like get other ones, they have extra features. But like I've kind of seen, it's like basically there's a bunch of these microscopes built in the same factory, and they all have different brands, but it's basically the same same camera, but it's a couple of different things about it are different, and the branding. All right, well, thank you for watching.